What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and I did it. I went out and I bought a bouncer. I just ordered my first bouncer. So I have a tent company and or a party rental company, and primarily tents, and I decided to add a bouncer just to give it a try to see if I can dabble in the bounce house business as well. So right here's a 13 by 13 vinyl crayon bouncer from Jump Orange. I actually ordered it through Wayfair. You know, people are saying
don't order through Wayfair,
but this guy was a primo price, and when I was trying to get quotes from everyone else, it was hard to get a quote because I'm in Canada. They just, for some reason right now, don't want to ship to Canada. But Wayfair hooked me up using Jump Orange as a third-party seller. So let's get into it. Why don't we go check it out? As you see right here, this is a commercially certified bouncer, so you're good to go here for quality and safety. All right, so I'm 5'6" and 185 pounds, and I'm about to go jumping in on this bad boy. Let's do this. All right, it's good for kids or adults as well. So I'm gonna be renting this bounce house out as a customer pickup. It's 13 feet by 14 and a half feet, and it's perfect, easy for customers to pick up so that I don't have to worry about it. I'll take a small damage deposit on it every time, and if it comes back dirty, then they get the cleaning charge. They don't get the cleaning charge back. So the beauty of this bounce house is that you can come pick it up from us. It'll fit in the back of your car, or you can come have us deliver it to you and set it up for you. It's very simple, plugs in, and it inflates in like 2 minutes. If this one goes good, then I'm gonna buy more and buy more and buy more. So this is the starting one, and yeah, I'm gonna try and do some backyard packages that include the gaming chairs and inflatable movie theater and all sorts of different fun birthday packages, and I'm gonna really try to market them in indoor places like this. I'm also pretty interested in this Velcro turf here. This stuff looks pretty awesome. It looks to be, like 3 foot by 6 foot panels of Velcro turf, and you can just build a whole field out of it. So it's industrial Velcro, and then just some padding as well. This is a Jump Orange bouncer, so follow me if you want to follow how I grow this bounce house business from one small bouncer.